Hello everyone. Today we'll give an introduction to requirements in this tab. When the technical file has been created, a requirements list is then generated. When we check the requirements list, if it is found that there is an error or omission of certain requirements, it is possible to report to our regulatory experts. Click on Report. Then select the requirements that should be reported. Fill in reasons and remarks, then click on Send. This way our experts will receive your feedback. You can also manually add certain requirements. This note in red means you can only add manually. Add requirements that have been published before or on the market release date. Then click Add. For manually added requirements, at the end of it there will be an M symbol, indicating a manually added requirement. You can also download the requirements list in PDF or Excel format. When all compliance documents have been uploaded and linking is complete, our platform provides a function for articles in scope of CE to generate the UDoc online. You can click here and will be reminded that a number of requirements haven't been fulfilled yet. If signing the UDoc now, there will be discrepancies. The platform also has a digital signature function. You can click on the link to set it up. When everything is in order, we can click on Next. Next step. We offer a multilingual UDoc where you can choose the languages needed. Let's say English, then click Next. Then we come to this page. Signer's name and position are compulsory. Then we click on Create. This way, the UDoc is generated. You can click on Download as PDF, download this UDoc, sign and then upload to File, or in the case when a digital signature has been added to the UDoc, the PDF can be added to the technical file directly. In the Requirements tab, it is possible to make a filter to check the requirements progress. It's also possible to make a filter according to the different modules or according to different risk levels. Each requirement is followed by a requirement category and a description of the type of document needed. If we take a look at the requirement categories, for example, categories A and B, these are about type testing and production. Therefore, missing category A and B documents may lead to serious consequences, such as a recall and fine, or a sales stop. Category G is special and worth a mention. The required document section is blank. In this case, for suppliers, these requirements are not visible. The reason is that Category G requirements are just guides or test methods. After each requirement, there is a circle with a white exclamation mark in the middle. A blue circle indicates that there are downloadable resources, such as templates, compliance clips, A green circle means that a description is provided at the bottom of the page. An explanation is given for each symbol in the requirements list. For example, the status of the requirement. Green indicates fulfilled. Between the document and the requirement, when there is a match, and when everything is in order, it will be green. If you're still collecting documents, it will be blue. The colour red indicates that there are no relevant documents linked to the requirement. The colour yellow indicates not applicable. You can choose requirements that you believe to be not applicable. Then click on Not Applicable. Click on Yes and add a note of the reasons why you think it should be made not applicable. When you are done with the note, then click on Declare Not Applicable. This way the requirement will then turn yellow with the reasons listed next to it. Our platform also makes it possible for users to complete online assessment forms. For example, our verifier form. After an invite is sent to the supplier can see a verifier form link in the supplier's interface. We can click on it too. If you need to fill in the form yourself, you can click here. If you would like a third party to fill it in, you can enter the third party's email address here and send form. The third party will receive an email with a link they should click on. After completing the form, the corresponding document will be automatically uploaded to the file. When the form has been sent, the verifier form here will be shown in blue. Thank you.